County Makisi ni dwe hachiel tok migao mar thieth loro masinde mag chenro mar SHA eka thieth maduong' mar Nyanchwa. Seneta mae County Makisi Richard Onyonka wacho ni midhiero mar kar thieth no biro kotenre kod weche mag telo e apisi mar apisa maduong' mano thicho koe kom kod board motel ne kar thieth no to kod jal mokao kare. Kano to kod jofwambo tok romo kod jotelo mag SDA, Onyonka wacho ni okang' mar simo lai mar SHA en kaluwore kod okang' ma jomoko osekelo fuere makoro dwaro ni nitie mar duoko chenro makare e kar thieth no. Bende olero ni poni nitiere ohinga kod chich mora mora to duol mochung' ne mibadhi onego mak jogo mantie kod ketho kar tuono jodak chenro mag thieth.
These are allegations which they raised, but the health facility has said they were actually not doing any of this. It is only that the issues you have are, one, they're administrative, because there was a change of management of individuals of the health facilities, and the individual who was removed as the CEO was not happy that he was removed because you have a new person there. This is an internal matter that should really not be brought to the public. And the Ministry of Health should not engage itself. And if the Ministry of Health realized that Nyanchwa health facilities had committed any crime, by now some individuals should have been arrested and taken to EACC. That is why I'm calling this exercise flimsy. My conviction and belief is SHA has been unable to pay health facilities the money they should pay because these facilities have been providing the services that Kenyans. The whole of the SHA system, the health system in Kenya is now broken. And the point I'm making, and that is a good question you asked, it's very simple. You know, sometimes you don't have to look very far. If Nyanchwa Mission Hospital broke the law and did something untoward, and this something means that these individuals who are running the facility were not doing their jobs, what do you do after that? Commonsensically, there are institutions that you hand over this information to so that they can make rational and reasonable decisions